Hi guys, and welcome back here to Drone Emotion. Today we're back here once again with some very exciting news, to say the least, and that is because just today a brand new set of images of the Mini 3 have been leaked, and this time these are extremely high definition images. And these are simply mind-blowing, and in today's video we're going to be sharing them with you, talking about them, analyzing them, and talking about everything that you need to know. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new to the channel, welcome here, and to keep up to date with any upcoming DJI products, whether it is the Air 3, the Inspire 3, and of course the Mini 3, you already know this place to come for all the latest updates and news. And also we're currently in the road to 10,000 subscribers, so if you watch this video and you're not subscribed yet, well, I invite you to go ahead and join the Emotion family. We're very close from actually reaching that goal, so a huge thanks to all of you guys who have been supporting the channel recently. So without out of the way, let's just go ahead and get started with today's video, which is going to be very exciting, to say the least. Guys, I say this every single video, but I mean it every single time. We get better and better stuff. So what just happened today? Well, our great friend Deals Drone in Twitter yet again at it, and that is because just today he was able to get his hands on a brand new fresh set of unprecedented images of the Mini 3, and this time they are better than what we got last time. So what we have right here and what you're about to see is the Mini 3 in all its glory. So without any much further ado, let's just go ahead and get started with this beautiful Mini 3. There we have it, ladies and gentlemen, and every time I see this bad boy, it just starts to grow and grow on me more. At the beginning I used to hate the design, but the more I look at it, the more I actually like it. So there we have its front view. We see those LED lights on the front arm, something that I love, and we have been waiting for DJI to do on the Mini drones, and they finally did it on this Mini 3. There we have a back view of the drone. We're going to be having a Type-C charging cable, and also we're going to be having right there our slot for our micro SD card, and also we see our 4 LEDs on our power button right there in the top shelf. There we have the Mini 3 on a vertical position. We do see that it says ultralight, and the weight will be under 249 grams. That is great news. We do see those props, and of course our optical sensor right there in the bottom, and also do see a nice spot that we now have those kind of like rubber landing pad, something that we did not have on the Mini 2, and they have now implemented this on the Mini 3, and that definitely gives it a much premium feel to the drone itself. And there we have another top view of the drone. Man, this drone looks really good. It doesn't even look like a mini drone to me. Those props are still going to be screwing props, and we also do see a couple of bands right there, and of course our obstacle avoidance sensors. Now rumors say that we're going to be having forward, backwards, and also upward obstacle avoidance sensor now here, and that is going to be it, ladies and gentlemen. There we have it. That is the DJI Mini 3 and the latest images that we have. These images are definitely very revealing, very high quality. What can I tell you? I cannot ask for any more than this. Let us know down in the comment section down below, what are your thoughts on the Mini 3? Do you like it? Do you not like it? Are you excited for it? Or are you just gonna have to pass on it and wait for the greatest and latest product that's going to be unveiled from DJI later in the year? So that is what we have today, ladies and gentlemen. The DJI Mini 3 brand new images have been leaked. There we have it. Thanks so much for watching, and I wish that you enjoyed today's video. That's going to be it. Thanks so much, and see you tomorrow with a brand new video. This is Drone Emotion, signing out.